Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair dove 1.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dove 7.1% in the last session. The RSI indicates an oversold market. The gold-dollar pair rose 0.8% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair rose 0.7% in the last session, after gaining as much as 1.2% during the session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
World stocks plummeted again, and government bonds hovered at multi-year highs after a series of rate rises from global central banks rekindled fears that aggressive policy tightening could drag economies into recession. Major cryptocurrency volatility has hit stablecoins, typically considered the market's safer havens, with investors pulling money out of the sector and several losing the peg to their underlying assets. The Canadian dollar weakened against its US counterpart as oil prices fell and interest rate hikes by central banks around the world added to investor worries that tighter monetary policy could derail economic growth.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US industrial production will be released at 13:15 GMT, the US capacity utilization at 13:15 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The Austrian HICP will be released at 0700 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy statement at 0300 hours GMT. The Eurozone's ECOFIN meeting at 0700 hours GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.